guys, it's Nicole coming at you from Tony's Fresh Market in Countryside. We are here today in the beautiful floral department, getting ready for Christmas, right?
Right.
And we have an amazing lineup of great food here for you today. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for your chance to win a $50 Tony's Fresh Market gift card. We'll pick that winner on Friday, so be sure to get your likes, comments, and shares in before that to win a $50 Tony's Fresh Market gift card. All right, Alejandro, you're a familiar face on here, so please tell us what we have going on. We also have your daughters here with us today,
Yes.
Sarah and Sophia. Hi, guys. All right, so what do we have all going on here today? I think we're starting over here, right?
Yes, so we're starting over here. So we have the Ranchero chips, the perfect dip chip. It's still football season, so make sure you get your perfect dip chip at all Tony's stores, as well as your favorite salsa and guacamole in the deli department.
Oh yeah, I love these chips. The restaurants, I love these. These are great.
And then we also have tostadas. So any time of year, you know, like a taco, but a flat tostada.
Mm-hmm.
We have it garnished with beans, lettuce, onion, tomato, jalapeno, sour cream, and cheese. So it goes any time of year. Tostadas are great.
Love it. And you can also do, I mean, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right?
Pretty much.
Yeah,
Yes.
and we got a vegetarian style here,
Yes.
which I know on our website we have the recipe for,
Yes.
and on yours as well, too. Yeah, all right.
And then
I can't forget about these.
So we got our Guadalupana tamales in the frozen section. So for those that want a quick snack, we have microwavable tamales in a bag, so you can have fresh tamales within minutes.
Yes, I mean, we've got the two different flavors here. This one is the chicken and mole, and then there's also the pork, right?
Yes.
Is there a vegetarian one, or is that?
The beans and cheese.
Beans and
We also
cheese.
have beans and cheese.
Very nice, yeah, and they can find them here in the frozen section.
Correct.
Okay, got it.
Correct.
Easy to microwave, quick meal, especially in the holidays when you're running around and trying to buy gifts.
Yes.
You need the quick meals.
Yes.
All right, now what's next here?
So Sophia's demonstrating how to make tamales.
Ooh.
What kind of tamale are you making?
Strawberry. What are you putting in there with the strawberry?
Dark chocolate chips.
Dark chocolate chips. Oh my goodness. Is this dessert or is this dinner for you?
Dinner.
It's dinner. Okay.
And then Sarah's making, what are you making?
Pineapple coconut.
Pineapple coconut. Ooh, and now what are you putting inside there too?
I'm cutting fresh pineapple.
Ooh. No, I think that one's okay to have for dinner. You don't necessarily have that one for dessert. It's okay. All right, so can you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one here too. I'm gonna make a strawberry dark chocolate chip one. I'm gonna follow what Sophia's doing here. So you're gonna go ahead. Now this masa is available in our frozen department.
Correct.
Okay.
It's on sale through the holidays. So for Christmas Eve, Christmas, and New Year's, buy your masa at all Tony's stores.
Love it.
We have it on sale, and make sure you buy all the other fixings. As Sarah and Sophia are demonstrating, we have strawberry and pineapple, but the more popular one is the salt, where you put your meat filling, whether it's chicken, pork, or beef.
Ooh, I like that. And then, so right next to us, we have our frozen masa as well. Thank you. And as I put this together here, do I have enough here, Sophia? Is that enough? Okay, is that enough, Sarah?
Put a little bit
A little more? Okay. All right, so I'm feeling this pretty good, and I'm using the strawberry masa. Now, this is already defrosted.
Yes.
Okay, and you just let it defrost like normal, right? Nothing special to do here?
No.
Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my dark chocolate chips. All right, what do you think? More? More?
That's enough.
That's enough, okay, good. And then we're gonna go ahead and fold it, right? All right, Sarah, you show me how to fold again. You fold this side. Oh, you gotta put, yep, she's got the fresh pineapple in there.
So first you do one side,
One side,
and then you do the
other
other side,
side,
and then fold the bottom.
fold the bottom. I love it. There we go. We are getting quite a pile here.
Yes.
A lot can be made from an entire tub of this, right?
Yes. so about 2 dozen or more, depending on what size you make the tamale. And then of course you have to steam them for about 45 minutes to an hour once you've wrapped them all up. But usually it takes about 2 days and a whole army of people to make tamales. But with our masa, you can do it in less than a day, so that moms, grandmoms, sisters, aunts, and the entire army don't have to slave away in the kitchen.
That's perfect. I know these Sarah and Sophia are pros here. Like they are really, really good at this. All right, now we also have to talk about the pozole because that's another favorite holiday tradition, correct?
Yes. So we have the pozole here. My wife made a green and chicken pozole that we have here in the pot. But you can buy the pozole at all Tony stores. Again, it's a lot easier. You still have to cook the chicken and make the broth, but then you add the pozole, and then we also have our tostadas for the kids, tostada botaneras. We garnished it here with sour cream. And then once that's all done with the pozole, you're going to garnish the pozole with lettuce, onion, radishes, sour cream, avocado, and then we also have, if those want more salt, spice with chili pepper and oregano. Unlike red pozole you usually garnish it with cabbage, but with green pozole you garnish it with lettuce.
Oh, I like that. It makes sense.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
I like it. I mean, it smells amazing, and I mean, I'm dying to try it. I'm dying. It looks so good. And we have that recipe on our website as well.
Yes.
So tonysfreshmarket.com or go to guadalupana.com as well to find it on your website.
Yes.
All right, girls. So tell me, Sarah, what your favorite holiday tradition is.
My favorite holiday tradition is making gingerbread houses.
Making gingerbread houses. I love that. And Sophia, what's yours?
Mine is opening presents on Christmas morning.
Opening presents on Christmas. Are you always the first person to open a present, or do you have to wait your turn?
I have to wait my turn.
You have to wait your turn. Oh, that's good. That's good. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for teaching me how to make these wonderful tamales. They look delicious. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for your chance to win a $50 Tony's Fresh Market gift card. Again, you're going to like, comment, and share this video for your chance to win a $50 Tony's Fresh Market gift card. We'll pick that winner on Friday, so be sure to get your likes, comments, and shares in before that. All right, guys, thanks so much again. And what are we going to say at the end here?
Feliz Navidad!
Thanks, guys. Bye.